Hey guys, let's talk about Bitcoin and stagflation. You've been following the channel in the last 20, 30 videos. We've made it pretty clear. Bitcoin is going to drop. It's not immune, okay? There's not a single part of the market that is immune to the case of stagflation. There's never been a situation in the entire world of financial history where a country, including the United States, has been able to transition through the stagflation stage without a market crash. So therefore, why should we expect a Bitcoin not to crash? Well, many crypto traders will tell you that crypto is uncorrelated. That's their belief. Now, that belief is going to be tested to the max, and I think anyone that's in the right state of mind is going to come to 13 market moves and learn the moves and correlations and get a better understanding that if it's a part of financial markets, okay, it cannot be uncorrelated. All these Wall Street bullshit analysts that are telling you, well, they invested in Bitcoin because that is one set of assets that is not correlated. That is one category that is not correlated to anything else that the market is doing. I'm here to break down this myth to you in a way that hopefully it's going to make a little bit of sense to some of you that have been completely brainwashed by the general media. Okay, how can something be fucking uncorrelated when majority of the run-ups in the underlying are happening under the conditions of quantitative easing? There's never been a moment in Bitcoin history or crypto history when crypto assets or Bitcoin or Ethereum or Solana or any of that stuff is moving in the upside direction under conditions of financial tightening. Well, conditions are tightening. Economic conditions are tightening. Okay, so it's a very simple case. Economy is slowing. Federal Reserve is not cutting rates. Inflation is spiraling out of control, which dictates higher interest rates. Under such conditions, Bitcoin cannot do well. It can be a part of the fucking treasury. It can be a part of the fucking, who cares what? The point is, on the current market conditions, Bitcoin cannot go higher. You can pull up time after time the video I've recorded saying, look, who else is going to buy Bitcoin above 100,000? When MSTR, or strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, is done buying, they're out of options to borrow more capital to go buy Bitcoin. And the very thing that is going to destroy MSTR in any company that follows the strategy is the very fact that their strategy B, is based on a simple fact and only one condition, that Bitcoin and crypto can only move higher. So that is the fundamental flaw, and that is why you're going to see MSTR fucking collapse. I mean, if you were trading in the group or you're trading with the 13 Market Moves coach, we told you that last week that MSTR was going to collapse the fuck out. We made money on it Friday, we made money on it today, but what's about to be made, guys, and possibly if you're looking into buying MSTR puts tomorrow, it's probably too late. But, we're in Bitcoin puts, we're in Ethereum puts, we're in Solana puts, we're in a lot of puts that, conventional wisdom would not dictate for you to be a part of. Simply because the world dictates for you to believe that crypto and Bitcoin are totally unfucking correlated. They're part of the financial system now. That is why the threat to Bitcoin to the downside is now bigger than ever before. See, you've never had a situation in Bitcoin history where large institutional investors like goddamn fucking BlackRock owned a shitload of Bitcoin. You've never had a situation where Goldman Sachs owned a shitload of Bitcoin. Well, guess what? Then in the same banking institutions that are buying what? That are buying Meta, that are buying fucking Tesla, that are buying the big 7 names. And I will tell you with a high level of certainty that you will find out over the course of the next 7 days that Meta and Tesla and Bitcoin are going to be dumped at the same time. At the same time they're dumping Meta, the same institutional investors like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs, they're dumping Bitcoin, okay? They have to, okay? That's how their trading parameters are set. If something is going to drop by a certain amount, they got to unload their fucking positions, okay? So you're about to see such a crazy wave of selling that Bitcoin has never seen in its fucking history. That's why I'm saying a 50% drop sounds ridiculous, but it's not ridiculous when you look at the catalyst that's going to propel this drop. There's a chance it could drop 60 fucking percent, okay? Now, does it mean it's going to stay down 60%? This could be one of the greatest Bitcoin bot opportunities of your fucking lifetime. If you missed all of our videos dating back to years ago when we told you, buy it at 3,000. We also told you to short it at 20,000 in December of 2017. And we told you to buy it back in November of 2018. The videos are there, guys. They're timestamped. You can go review them, okay? The point is, right now ain't the fucking time to buy it. The world is brainwashing you to buy it, but based off the sequence, based off the 13 market move sequence, all right? Bitcoin is heading way lower. Ethereum is heading way lower. Crypto is heading way lower. And it's in your interest to short it now if your ultimate goal is to increase your Bitcoin holdings, if your ultimate goal is to increase your Ethereum holdings, if your ultimate goal is to increase your crypto holdings, it's in your best interest to short it now. Don't be an idiot that fucking hodls. What kind of fucking strategy is that? Well, I'm going to fucking hodl. Well, the Dogecoin millionaire, gazillionaire, I mean, he's still hodling his shit. He's done it twice now. Round trip this shit. All the way to the top, didn't sell. And now the shit pumped in his favor again. He didn't sell again. Like, no, imagine if you sold both times at the fucking top and repurchased it back at the bottom. I mean, that's what trading is about. And people will tell you it's impossible. It's fucking impossible. It is possible with 13 market moves, damn it. If you understand the sequences, if you understand the patterns, if you don't just sit there and listen to a bunch of fucking bullshit metrics that every Bitcoin trader or crypto trader they're brainwashed. They look at the same motherfucking setups and charts. They believe in this Bitcoin cycle, Bitcoin dominance versus meme coin setup dominance. Whatever. They look at some bullshit that is so fucking irrelevant, and they expect the shit to repeat itself each time, every time, on the point, on the dot, and everybody's surprised, like, whoa, why is meme coins not going high? Bitcoin's supposed to lose its dominance down, and all the Ethereum and other shit's supposed to shoot higher. No, it don't work that way. Bitcoin is the last strong man standing in crypto, and that man is about to be taken down, not forever, but temporarily. Okay, so have some fucking big bags from shorting the fuck out of crypto now, so you can literally, guys, the opportunity you have in front of you right now, you short the shit out of crypto, okay? You fucking collect all the profits, you can literally increase your Bitcoin holdings by 20x. Like, let's say you own 10 Bitcoins. And you trade with 13 market moves. I can put you in a situation right now where you can own fucking 200 Bitcoins come next 7 days. What, you have a fucking problem with that? If you got a problem with it, you're a fucking idiot. Just like the rest of, people that are just, I don't know, why is it so difficult for people to understand? You make money both ways in the markets. But yet, 99% only seem to understand that, you can make money only when shit goes up. It is absolutely absurd. When you study all the greatest fortunes that were ever made in the financial history, they were all made on the downside, not on the fucking bull market. Bullshit. So you're facing one of the greatest unwinds in crypto history, and you're just sitting there, and you're going to hodl? Are you out of your fucking mind? So the 222 sequence, I recorded the podcast about it, guys. If you understand, how, generation wealth is created, right? These moments in the market is what you cannot afford to miss. Everybody can be bullish on something out of their fucking mind. It doesn't necessarily mean that something is going to go higher at the moment when you desire it the most. At the moment when people are levered up the fucking most and expect something to go higher, even higher, after already being up on a crazy fucking bull run, okay, that's the last thing you should be expecting from the fucking markets. And guys, I'm telling you, trade this on the right side if you want your trading account to absolutely set some records that you've never thought were possible in your lifetime, where it's crypto, where it's stocks, options, whatever. You come to 13 Market Moves for one reason only. And you want to understand and be fluent with the market in a way that 99.9999% of other traders will never be able to understand. So go to 13mmtv.com, click the big orange button, sign up to trade. Dare to increase your crypto holdings by 20x in the next 7 days by utilizing first simple short selling strategies, utilizing options, put options in particular on Bitcoin and Ethereum futures. Damn it. Yeah, you probably never heard of that because you're listening to everybody else on the internet that's pitching you the same bullshit. Oh, we trade futures. No, you don't want to be trading futures. You want to be trading options on futures. That's where the big fucking money is. If you don't understand it, schedule a fucking call. At least have the balls to do that. But if you're serious about making money and trading, you learn the fuck out of 13 Market Moves formula. And if you do it at the right time, if you do it at the right moment, and if you apply your knowledge at the right time and the right moment, the sky's the fucking limit. Okay? So, don't cost yourself thousands of dollars like the rest of the traders. Going to lose hundreds, thousands, millions of dollars, over the course of the next 7 days when crypto's just going to fucking continue collapsing. Make money on it and reposition yourself to buy the biggest bag you've ever fucking imagined in your life. When there's going to be blood everywhere, where people are going to be puking, okay? That's when you go and you buy the fucking shit at the lowest possible prices. Now, that's what Warren Buffett would call investing. What most of the people are doing, buying shit at 100,000 because they think the shit is even going to go higher, ignoring every possible chart, every possible divergence, that's bullshit. That's not fucking trading. So, you want to go to the next level of your trading, get in touch with 13 Market Moves Coach today. Stop fucking around. Do it now.